Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Ddog, Lots Ddog, soon to be Ghost Ddog, who knows? But coming at you guys with a new video. Never done this type of shit before, but hey, gotta change the content sometimes. You know, when someone asks for something, you gotta provide. So I'm gonna show you guys how to split audio between like your desktop audio, your game audio, your music, whatever you guys got going on in your background, so you don't get copyrighted on Twitch. I mean, kick, you're fine. But if you're clipping or anything like that, you are able to take that music out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and then I'm also gonna show you guys how to add the actual tab showing what music you're playing while you're streaming. So let's get into it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, anything else you guys need help with. Try and update you guys on, stay in the comments. I try to stay updated with you guys. But I hope you guys do enjoy, and let's get into it. Okay, so now first thing you're gonna do is make sure you download OBS, Streamlabs, whatever you're using. I'm gonna show you on OBS. I'm not too sure if it's the same on Streamlabs. Haven't used that in a while. But first thing I'm gonna do, obviously open up OBS. Already got it running. And then from there, for split audio, when it comes to your Discord, YouTube, Apple Music, Spotify, game audio, desktop audio, whatever you guys got going on, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that first. So first thing you want to do is there's OBS. If you have the newest update, they do have this audio capture. What you're gonna do? So we're gonna add Apple Music, for instance. Apple Music. Got all these open. You find your Apple Music. So let's go iTunes. So now, anytime I'm playing Apple Music, let me play a song real quick. Turn it down just a little bit, but you'll see that now Apple Music is currently playing, and if you want to turn it down for stream, whatever, turn it down right here.
Turn me up a little bit. I be hanging with
You
some
know.
drug dealers, hey, and I be hanging with some thug niggas, hey, and we don't care about.
So now that we got Apple Music, it's the same thing for everything else, but I'll show you guys. So then we'll do YouTube. So then I have YouTube open for this guy, and that's gonna be just your browser. Add that. We'll go play something on there real quick. So now YouTube is playing. So then that covers your YouTube, and then kind of straightforward. You want your Discord. I don't have anyone in Discord to test this out right now, so we'll just click on our Discord. So then if anyone was in Discord, it would be talking, or it would show the same thing. Pretty easy, self-explanatory. And then if we go and do game, I have COD open right now so you guys can see this. So then you just do COD. But if COD's open, it's gonna have the same audio, same effect as the Apple Music, YouTube, Discord, and whatnot. Whatever other applications you guys got. I mean, a good thing would be to like group all these together. So if you right click, group select items, just audio zones, and then just kind of add all these into there. Yeah, your game, Apple Music, everything. So then it's not as cluttered, and kind of keep your sources looking a little cleaner. So then that's gonna be how you split your audio zones. And all right, so now everything that you clip, what you want to do is go into advanced audio properties. So what you're gonna do is click these three dots right here. It doesn't matter which audio zone. Just gonna click this, advanced audio properties, and leave track one on. So this track one is gonna be your stream itself. So if you don't have if you don't have track one on, you're not gonna be able to hear it in stream. So then for stream, I don't want my Apple Music to show in there. What else? We'll leave Discord, we'll leave game, we'll leave mic, webcam, and YouTube. So like my YouTube music and whatnot. So make sure you turn off audio track 2. And what that's gonna do is when you clip something, it's gonna take that audio out. So it's only clipping your game, your webcam, whatever. At least for me, it's only clipping my game, webcam, audio, game audio, and all that. But to make sure it doesn't actually stick to that audio, you're gonna go into settings, go to output, recording. Make sure this is on audio track 1, and then go to audio track or recording, and make sure it's only on audio track 2. Make sure it'll auto select audio track 1. Just make sure you unselect it and just put it on just 2. So when I hit my replay buffer, it's gonna just take everything that is on audio track 2. So everything except for my Apple Music and my YouTube, for instance, for me. But I mean, it might be a little different for you depending on what applications you have running in the back. And now when it comes to adding Spotify or Apple Music, YouTube, whatever you guys want going on, as like a little tab showing what song you're playing in your stream. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that real quick. What you're gonna do is open up the sources again, open up window capture. We're gonna name this Apple Music. I don't have Spotify, but I have Apple Music, and it's gonna go the same for YouTube or Apple Music. So open up Apple Music, and what it's gonna do is show up this. And for instance, you don't want this big thing, you only want that top part. So you're gonna hit Alt, drag the corner to wherever you want. So like I want mine right there, and then do want it right there, and then bottom left of the screen, wherever you guys want it, however big. Say like right there is pretty good. So then if we're playing a song, it is real time, it's playing well. But the only thing I do suggest is to open it on full screen or whatever you guys have it on, because it will change it. So if I do open it on full screen, it does mess it up. So but if you do unfull screen it, it does do that. So always a good thing to know. With that, if you guys did enjoy the video and got something out of this, please like, share, subscribe, comment, any questions you guys do have. Like I said, I will be looking at the comments and kind of respond to you guys. And if you guys have any questions, just hit me up on Discord, Twitter, anything like that. I will respond to you guys. But other than that, catch y'all later. Peace.